Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to find places on TripAdvisor. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to find places on TripAdvisor. Maybe because you're going to another city or a country and you're looking for a hotels to stay, or maybe you're looking for some restaurants so that you could go and enjoy food, or maybe you're having vacations very soon, so you're planning a trip, or there could be any other reason for you to find places on TripAdvisor. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. Now simply tap on the icon of the TripAdvisor app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. At the top of the screen we have some of the options, and at the bottom as well. And into the middle of the screen there you could find places that you could stay, or maybe you could go on a restaurant, or maybe you just can visit some different places. So here we have to do is that if you want a specific place, then what you have to do is that you have to go to the search section, which is at the bottom of the page. Here you could see at the bottom we have five options. You have to select the second option, which says search. On the search bar you have to specifically type about a place that you're looking for. Let's say you're looking for a place in America, and which state you have to enter, or which city you have to enter, or maybe you're looking for a place in Dubai, or maybe any other place. Then you have to write it here so that all the results of that place it will show you, and after that you can choose according to it. So here I have searched for something, but I didn't got any of the good results, so here I'm going to search for something else. And once I get something different, we will see how we can check for places that exist on that place. And once we find the places that we're looking for it, we might go for any of these places. So here I have just clicked on this result, and after that there you could see I just searched for Eiffel Tower. So here first you read the title, description and price and all the different things, and after that you could see we have some of the tickets thing and other stuff. And if you go down there you will see all the reviews. If you go through all the reviews and what have people said, so you will get to know about this place, and you will make a plan if you want to go there or not. So if you're looking for some kind of hotels to stay there you have to click on hotels, and after that you have to enter a place where you're looking for the hotels, like a city area or whatever you're going for. Once you tap on it you will get all the results according to what you have entered, and once you get the result you may choose any one of these based on what you like price, budget, stay and all that. Once you open it you will read titles, description, review, price and all that, and if you find any one of these compatible one to you, you may go for it. Likewise you can also go for the restaurants. Again you have to type like where are you going for. You just have to enter the city or that place, and once the results come according to what you are looking for, you may tap onto any one of these results. And once you get the result you can check for different places, and whatever you find the best, like you go through images, you go through its reviews, its detail, its price and all that, you can go for dining there. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can look for places on TripAdvisor. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.